Sentiment analysis is a natural language processing technique that helps analyzing text like data to discern positive sentiments, neutral, or negative sentiments. Sentiment analysis is a powerful tool for any business looking to improve their product positioning and for startups as they base their product refinement on real customer feedback and social media discussions. Here is an overview of basic sentiment analysis done on Google reviews for dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge. The dataset contains information on username, the app used, and app rating, and covers data from 2016 to 2022. We will take a look at the rating given by users alongside feedback to test if the majority of the customer ratings are positive or negative. As evident from the graph below, there are extreme views of the apps with a large number of customers either loving the app or hating it. We have classified customer reviews into positive, negative, and neutral. We classified all reviews with rating greater than 3 as positive. All reviews with rating less than 3 will be classified as negative. Reviews with rating equal 3 will be dropped because they are neutral. The positive sentiment word cloud had words such as good and great. The negative sentiment word cloud had words such as bent, waste, and so on. Words like Tinder, matches, and time were a part of both the positive and negative reviews. For this and more such analysis using machine learning, get in touch with sales at algorithm-research.com. Have you done your sentiment analysis yet?